morning and I'm getting ready to go to gym. I have gym from 8:30 to 11:30, then I have a private from 11:30 to 12, and I can't wait to see what we do. It's going to be so much fun. Next week is our last week of summer session, and that's really sad because I love summer session. And I'm just going to get ready. Okay.
Hey, check out my Lego Printer 3000. It's really awesome though. Okay. This is what it looks like. And this is what it looked like when I first did it. Number one rule is, if you have a marker, don't leave the cap off if you're on a table. Or else it'll make a big blob, like stain right there.
Mark, get set, go. Two minutes and 18 seconds.
My new record.
Let me see all the sides.
Front.
Nice. Good job, Lexi.
Welcome to our life-size tic-tac-toe relay races. This is how it goes. So basically, each team has their own color of cloths. You'll grab your cloth, run down, and put it in one of the hula hoops. The first team to put 3 in a row wins the challenge. This is gonna be fun.
On your mark, get set, go! Go, go, go! Nice block, Kenzie! Good job, Ray. Get set, go! Good block, Lexi. Good job, Ray. Get it, Kenzie. On your mark, get set, go. Riley and Mackenzie. Getting packed for Minnesota.
Yep.
Think you have everything you need?
Yes, I do.
We are gonna miss you.
I know.
Austin is going to be gone for a whole week.
But I am excited.
What are you gonna
Go fishing, skiing,
do? Yep.
boat riding.
Awesome. It's gonna be fun.
Yep.
You leave tomorrow morning.
Yes.
No more videos with Austin for 9 days. You'll be back on the first NFL preseason game, the Hall of Fame game.
That's my excited part. At least I'm not missing that.
Yeah, as long as you get home in time, you won't miss it.
Stuff's really cool.
It's question of the day time! So, the question of the day is, what is the hardest thing you ever had to do?
Oh, that's simple. Math.
I love math.
I don't. They're
Okay.
really hard. That's okay. Sometimes it's hard.
Mine, probably my double fold.
Mine is doing the Eat It Around challenge and eating all those disgusting foods. I do not like them.
Mine's probably answering this question of the day. I can't think of anything hard to do that I've ever done. I've probably done something really hard, but I just can't think of it. So it's probably this question of the day. Nice one.
Nice one, Mark.